man, I don't know how dadrifta, we're back again, you know. So I don't know how Spoolzmatwerk. And we not play this here, you know, man. So, as you can see, and bodywork time again, right? A lot of this, you know, man. You can't stop bodywork it, you know. But we'll try to get it sorted out nice this time. Since the standalone gone on from the last vlog, you get the standalone, get the engine started and everything. So everything nice so far. So we'll try to see if we can get a color on it. At the same time, we'll try to nice up in the interior too. Right, we want it to look nice. So we get a nice little dashboard and I don't know conversion of dadrifta. So we're going to put the dashboard in there as well and get everything nice. We have to clean up inside, right? Put a nice color inside. Right, clean up the push rod suspension a long time. Nothing no go on with them. Then have a little dirt upon them, then you want to clean up and spray over. But otherwise from that, everything nice so far, man. So that's where we're at right now. Yeah. So try the dashboard, see how the dashboard set. Give you a preview. Deal with the engine bay. Alright. Think I all have to spray over about the topics cover. So you see how they scrape up. Well scrape up and thing because I moving up and down, take out, put in. Yeah, so that's where we're at. So I don't know, G them in that place. Bambo geddyz over there, so that's it. Yeah man, I don't know a thing, sir. I don't know, dadrifta hold them. Now I'm playing this year, man. Oh, that's so nice again. Stay tuned, people. Yeah man, so I don't know we in the place. And see the body man I draw fill up on the car. See if we can get the car in a one color this time. No grey. No yellow. I cream this. No yellow, I cream. Just get the car in a one color. Get everything nice. Try to see if we can deal with the engine bay. Alright. Clean up inside it. So that's how we're there now, man. Lord, that go nice, man. I don't know, see Keegan there. My top body, man. I'm a deal with the right show. You ensure say a lot of well straight and neat. No joke thing. You don't know I'm have the orange. 110 or 111? 111. All I work was done by him, son. I don't know, I can link him same way, make him neat up the car them same way. I am a racing car, you know, 4G63 in a 111. Yeah, man. So that's the thing there, man. So I link up Keegan same way. I want to go and pro till all that same way. I don't know dadrifta how them. Now I play this here, man. Right now, a little work premiums to do on the 1NZ. Right. So link up our nose. See if we can get this ear temp sensor somewhere on the manifold so the standalone can read the inlet temperature of the engine. So you can adjust the tune and thing. Get it well nice. So that's where we are right now. Right? That's where we are. So see if we can get it on, put it somewhere discreet in which the management can read it from there and get everything nice. So keep on you guys updated. I don't know what. So everything nice so far. So see if we can put in the air temp sensor and see what we can get out there. Get it well nice and clean. Yeah man, just see if we can drill out the hole. Smoke. So let's say something set, man. Yeah, man. So see it there. Finish up here now. No. Yeah, see focus there. Yeah. So chip off the flux. Don't know, big up Kirby. Anthony, big up yourself. How them, man? Lamidan. I don't know, man. So we're in the place. Simple conversion, yet effective. Yeah, man. Lada got tune nice, man. Yeah, man. So we're back again. Right? So I've let the rain fall and rain stop the progress. Although look like the sun will come out. The sun will come out still. But since the rain has fall, try to take on the dash. Because a lot of look good with the dash, man. Yeah. Lord, have a bad dash, man. So I'm going to try to get in the dash right now. I do some cutting. Yeah. Dash well nice, man. I get them. Yeah. Try to see if we can get in the dash. Line it up nice. Make the ladder look neat. Yeah. This side wall. Yeah, man, just stuck him in there. Yeah, see dry down there. Yeah, man, so I'm done with dashboard gone in. Can look nice with it, you know. I have the gauge and everything for it. I'm going to try to see if I can make a little custom design that we push under some more. But there are some that bodywork are working, right? All I little spot them, metallic spot them and stuff. You get it smooth, right through. So you hold them there on it there. So I get continuous, when I don't know that drifter, I hold them. Then think we'll play this year, man. Now I'm play this year. As the bills goes on, color, nice up, right through, man. Yeah, man, that's the thing, man. Yeah, man. So right now, we'll work hard on it to see if we can get the car nice and smooth right through, as you can see. Alright? Yeah, so we'll prime it out little by little. So you can start prime it out there. But to find some little blemishes under the paint and rub it off. So I have to clean out that, get rid of those little blemishes so the paint smooth right through. But we have a warm time with the rain. The rain a drop. The rain a kind of slopey things because every time if we go to bomb and spray the car, we have like a rain kind of slopey thing. So I understand that everything good. We'll work on it to see if we can get it right through. So as the build continues, keep you updated. I don't know that drifter over them. We're not play this year, man. Get a nice. The couple days after, right? After the body man touch out and sun off and smooth one. Right now, I tell you, car smooth right through. Yeah, man. So we're on the way to getting it sprayed. A little rain fall, flash up it. Flash it up, but otherwise from that everything good. Alright? So we get it down to a smooth, nice finish. That's what we're working on right now. Nice smooth finish. Yeah, man. Okay, ready for spray. The little things here need to touch on. Put a this time I'm Miguel, you know. I get the Miguel out. Cut out the rotten spot there. So one next one here. So we find this after. So we'll get these sorted out. And then we're back on track again. And we can finish up the remaining bodywork. But apart from that, the car look good. Look really good. So get a nice color on. That's it. We need a bonnet too. Cause this bonnet won't stay bad too, you know, but I think so we'll try see if we can work with it. Work around it. Yeah, temporary. Yeah, you know all that bad still, you know. You can see it's just a little spot here. We did cut out here so the car can get more breeze inside. But apart from that, it looks good. So that's where we're at. So just a little update. Keeping you guys updated. Yeah. See when we can get it sprayed. Get it in a one color right through. And nice it up. Set up the car for tune. So that's where we're at right now. Don't know how dadrifta hold them. But now I'm playing this year, man. Now I'm playing this year. Yeah man people, so right now everything nice. We're happy right now. We have color, we have hardener, we have everything. The first coat, base coat. I tell you right now it's a mixture of colors people, but we can't release that. Only thing I can say now people, just keep tuned, like, share, subscribe and get the things out here. You see me? The thing nice man. You don't know what I do, now play this here.